you go. There's all the chaos. Hey, you guys, welcome back to the vlog. Another day, another dollar. Joking, we've got the beautiful Panigale V4, right? We've got the Jigsaw. Both of these beauties looking good together. I did clean the wheels on my bike, so they actually look good. And I moved the mic, so let's hope this works out. Jigsaw's looking good too. Black on black, I've got the red on red. Anyway, this bike needs air, so I'm gonna top it up for what I think it needs to. I'm gonna check. If it was okay, I'm just gonna check because I'm going on a decent ride. This is a ride that you guys love seeing, so let's see how this pans out. Gorgeous weather in London. We're at the Shell petrol station. Sun is shining. And huge thanks to all of you guys and girls for the support so far. I'm getting messages all over the place. Nothing but love and support. I'm getting people sending me screenshots of watching stuff on the YouTube at home. So huge love to you all. You know your boy appreciates it. Anyway, let's fill this bad boy up with some air quickly. Man, this balaclava is so tight, it's just itching my face. Huh? The balaclava is so tight, it's itching my face. Is it? My beard is just itching. That's not good. Damn, man, this is annoying. Cream. No, it's the balaclava material. Oh, it's just nice. Annoying. I was about to say, what the hell is that noise? Jeez. YouTube time. YouTube time. The Jigsaws. Yeah. Ready to be famous again, yeah? Do this. Hey. This weather looks amazing. Right. Do you know what I'm going to do? Let me put... I don't think I'll put music on, but I'm going to still put noise cancelling on at least, so... Yeah, you sound good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we like that. Woo! That sunshine. Damn. The bikes are going to be gleaming in this weather. Shining. Do you know what? I need music though. Noise cancelling. Jeez, that works insane. These new headphones, guys. Noise cancelling is next level. Once again, I do hope that you can hear me properly. Once again, this is that new balaclava. It is mega tight, so I'm going to be shouting. But anyway, I appreciate you guys for tuning back in. For those of you who do, for the new people here, this is that channel where your boy daily rides this Ducati, almost anyway. So, and we go for great rides, and I have other great bikes on the channel like the Jigsaws. So, yeah, be ready. But today's going to be a mad one. There will be at least 30 bikers, 40. So do not pick off this vid. You're going to make sure you stay and watch. And support your boy. Show love. But if you want, you can like the video right now. You can even subscribe if you want to. Wow, the noise cancelling, next level. And I got my music on. That good reggaeton. I would love if I forget I've actually got these on and I start speaking Spanish on here. This is the weather you guys need to ride in. This weather is amazing. Perfect. Anyway, summer weather. This is the best weather to ride in. Obviously me and the boys are out. What's this hold up right here? Got taking it a little bit too long. Moving this thing like it's a little 125. As someone said. Actually, yeah, one comment that made me laugh. There's one of the guys that said I throw this bike around like it's a 125. Yes, I most definitely do, I'm not gonna lie. But it's because I'm used to it. I'm very used to this bike now. Okay, let me close this. Woohoo, is that a green M2? That's a mad car, boy. But there you go. There's all the chaos. So here you go, here you guys go, this is what you all love, this is the madness. How many bikes are on this road? I'm surprised everyone's got their plates out at the moment, what a shocker. People must be thinking, what the hell is going on here? Anyway, another good day out with the bikes, bit of fun. You know what time it is. Oh, these feds must be thinking like, what the hell?
That's the sound of the police! That's the sound of the police!
Anyway, people, this is what you asked for. Anyway, this is what you guys love. So, Target Tuesday. Again, we linked up at an undisclosed location. If you know where we are now, then you know what the location is. However, I'm not going to publicize it. Anyway, this is what everyone was waiting for. So, here we go. That's a nice bit of road. As usual, guys, whenever we're doing these group rides, not really much talking, we're just going to focus on the ride, so that's what we're going to do.
You see what I'm saying though, like, man switching lanes,
yeah? Yeah, yes, very good. what the speeds for these cameras? I don't even know. I just do 20 to be safe. Alright, so it's 30, that's fine. The one before didn't say that. If you dare flash while I'm doing the limit. Them feds, boy, they were watching. Wow, boy. Damn, when it's put the noise cancellation on, fucking can't hear this wind noise. Corner though, jeez. It's a nice ass corner. Damn. Good. And some nice roads. Damn, these roads are nice. Alright, there is some noise cancelling on because that wind noise, I'm not one for that. Much better. Now I can't hear any of that noise. Oh yeah. His plate is hanging off. Yeah! Cheers, bro. Cheers, bro. Cool. Thank you. Only 20 minutes free. Cover that plate if you can for a second. Do you know what? Yeah, cover that for sure. Yeah, hold on, hold on. You good, yeah? Yeah?
It's only going to do from the front though.
That's true. Yeah, because the cars, isn't it? Yeah, you're right, you're right, you're right. Oi.
I saw your jacket. I saw your jacket. I was like, what the fuck did he spawn?
What's going on? Huh? Huh? You're good.
You know, if you see the first couple of days when it started raining, I was going central London, I was going to the bank.